Hey everyone, my name's Andy Trussell. I'm with Murney Associates Realtors in Springfield, Missouri. I'm standing right here in front of the sign at Wild Horse Subdivision. There's over 300 homes in Wild Horse and Lakes of Wild Horse, which is a neighborhood located in East Springfield. So far this year, there's been over 21 homes that have sold, and the average price sold is $307,000. This Sunday, I'm doing an open house at 2098 N Citation. Let's go take a look. Hey everyone, welcome to 2098 N Citation in Wild Horse. This is where I'll be this Sunday, June 9th from 2 to 4 p.m. in this custom-like built brand new home with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and lots of custom features. Let's go check it out. Welcome inside this gorgeous home. Here's a nice gas fireplace with lots of built-in cabinetry and shelves. And then back behind me, you have lots of nice windows overlooking the backyard and covered patio. Nice kitchen right here with granite, farm sink, stainless steel appliances. Nice little breakfast nook over here, and then there's a pantry on the other side of that wall. Welcome to the master suite, which is incredible. Nice large bedroom where you could of course fit a king-size bed. Come back to one of my favorite parts, the master bathroom. You got 2 double vanities right here with built-in sinks, some windows up top here for natural light. You also have a huge walk-in closet, lots of built-ins, and then a nice walk-in shower right over here. Welcome upstairs where you have a large living room, our second living room basically. It could be a man cave, it could be an in-law suite, it could be a lot of different things. Large living room, got a built-in for your TV here, then a nice bedroom back there with a big walk-in closet, and a nice full bathroom. And if you work from home or want a nice office, here's your space right here. A nice little bonus room with French doors where you can kind of get away from it all. I'll see you Sunday from 2 to 4, June 9th.